What's going on, everyone? This is Desmond from Operation Work From Home. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. In today's video, we will be talking about charts. And the only thing that we're going to be talking about is bear versus bull. So if you have no clue what I'm talking about, I'm going to tell you what it means. Now, when you're looking at a chart, I'm on TradingView right now. I'm looking at this pair right here. It's the US dollar versus Canadian dollar, okay? USD CAD. I'm looking at a daily time frame. Each candle represents 1 day, okay? So have you may have heard it. If you haven't heard it, you might hear, oh, the market's looking bullish, okay? Or the market's looking bearish. So if these are kind of new to you, these terms, I'm just going to break it down to you. Keep it real simple. You see all these candles going up. You see the green ones going up. That is bullish. Think of it like a bull. Taking the price and it's going up. And then you see these red candles going down. That's when people say it's bearish. So that's when price is going down. Okay. And then the other thing that you might see, let me try to find it here. I'm just going to turn to a different time frame here. Like take, for example, right here. You see all these candles right here? They're not really going up or down, really. That's considered consolidation. So if you never heard about that, that is another frame. That is another term that you might want to memorize. So to keep in mind, if everything's going down, it's a bearish. If it's going up, it's bullish. And if it's barely moving, just going like ping pong, ding, 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 that's consolidation. So I'm keeping it simple for you guys. Feel free to look elsewhere to find, more technical way to put it, but I like keeping it simple for you guys. So again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next video.